No corner of British life, it seems, has been left untouched by our decision to leave the EU. John Lewis, that bellwether of consumer spending, today said it's seen sales cool in the days since the vote, a notable fall compared to the week before the referendum.
I think most people in generally would make considerable cutbacks because of the uncertainty about jobs, and not just in Europe but the world all over.
And are you spending less?
Yes, I've just started a small business, so it couldn't have come at a worse time for me.
So you keep spending as you would normally, it doesn't affect you?
Well, it affects me, but then I can't let it affect me. Otherwise there's no point in living, is there?
During the referendum campaign, Bank of England Governor Mark Carney urged the country to remain in the EU. Today he warned there are signs that his grim predictions are becoming reality.
The number of vulnerable households could increase due to a tougher economic outlook and a potential tightening of credit conditions. In particular, there's growing evidence that uncertainty about the referendum has delayed major economic decisions, such as business investment, construction, and housing market activity.
So this is just like the financial crisis all over again. Well, no, it seems. The Bank of England is to help the banks on the high street by easing restrictions. It is, in essence, a shot in the arm for the UK economy, worth £150 billion.
Capital is strong, liquidity is strong, and we've got to make sure that that lending is now available to businesses and families if they need it, and they've assured me that it will be.
But some financial experts remain cynical about the effect the Leave result will actually have.
Mark Carney warned of economic doom and gloom if we voted to leave. So he's now faced with the position of having to kind of say, oh, it's still a bit doomy and gloomy, but also not talking the economy down because the UK taxpayer pays Mark Carney something like £900,000 a year.
Politically and financially, these are uncertain times. The experts can't agree how tough they'll actually be.